Assalamu alaikum. One common frustration some of my clients have is controlling their blood sugars, especially after eating rice. Some have tried brown rice but never got on, while others have stopped eating rice altogether. This is quite common in gestational diabetes, type 2 diabetes or PCOS, where my clients have felt that they're unable to eat their main staple food. So how can you control your blood sugars and still enjoy rice? Well, rice is a carbohydrate, and carbohydrates are the preferred energy source by the body. And like all carbohydrates, such as potatoes, pasta, bread, they break down into glucose in the body, but they cannot be eaten raw, so they need to be cooked so we can digest them. In the raw state, the carbohydrate is a highly ordered structure, and by cooking or boiling the carbohydrate, this structure weakens and becomes soft. So in the case of a rice grain, they are hard before cooking, and once boiled with water, the carbohydrate structure of the rice weakens and becomes soft and ready for us to eat. However, when the rice is cooled, the carbohydrate reorganizes itself to be hard but yet still digestible. But why am I telling you this? Because there has been some research that when carbohydrate-rich foods are cooled, their structure reorganizes itself and the digestive enzymes in your gut can't break them down as easily as they would when it was freshly cooked rice, and that's because it now contains more resistant starch. This means that cooked rice that has been cooled and then reheated has a lower glycemic load, which means it has a lower effect on your blood glucose. The research is still in its early days, but there is no harm in trying this method, as some of my clients have seen an improvement in their blood sugars. So how can you see if it works for you? Step 1, first eat a normal portion of freshly cooked rice with a dish of your choice, something you usually eat. Step 2, take a record of your blood glucose levels 1 to 2 hours after eating. Then a week later, exactly on the same day, step 3, eat the same dish, but this time the rice has to be cooked, cooled, and then reheated. Eat this rice with the same dish as you did a week ago. Step 4, check your blood glucose levels again 1 to 2 hours after eating and compare the difference to the reading from the week earlier. By doing this on the same day of the week, same meal timing and same dish reduces variables. This works on pasta too. This difference in blood sugars might make you think that you can eat more rice or pasta, but in fact, the cooling process only increases the fiber content. Everything else stays the same. The calories, the nutrients all stay the same. In fact, some of my clients find that when they reheat rice, they manage on a smaller portion and that fills them up quicker. Due to the low glycemic load, you may experience low blood sugars or hypos. So please have a sugary drink or a glucose tablets handy and see your diabetic team immediately. If you would like to try this method, be aware when you have cooked rice, cool it down as quickly as possible, ideally within an hour, and then keep it in the fridge. Use the cooked rice within 24 hours and reheat it until it's very steaming hot. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, comment and subscribe to Conscious Bites Dietitian.